Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up parental controls on Samsung Galaxy A26 5G. So you have to start by opening your settings application, and now you have to scroll down and click on Google. Then click on all services, and now you have to find parental controls. Then click let's do this. And click sign in. And here you have to enter your email address. Then click next. And now enter your password. And now scroll down and click accept. Then click on supervised account. And click next. Now you have to enter your parent email address. Then click next. And enter your password. And now you have to scroll all the way down, and here you have to enter your child password again. Then click next. And click allow. Now you have to scroll down and click next. And click done. And as you can see, my parental controls are now set up. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.